Hi, good day everyone. This is teacher John De Sarmiento for TLE9, Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Today we will talk about the common splices and joints. Please join me and listen carefully as we discuss the following. And before that, let's talk about some problems that we may encounter in this topic. 1. What are the different common splices and joints? 2. How do we follow the procedures in making common splices and joints? And 3. Why do we need to learn how to make common splices and joints? As we discuss this lesson, let's define first what is the electrical joint. Electrical joints or splices are points to a continuum of wiring at which new wire is either added for extended length to the final intended outlet or branched off for additional outlet. This is an example of splices and joints. Now, if we will not do it properly, this might be happen on your electrical installation in your house. This may cause of accident or burn. Common splices and joints. So we have different common splices and joints and they are rat tail or pigtail joints. This joints is a kind of joints commonly used to join two or more conductors inside the junction box. Knotted top. A knotted top is used when the top wire is under heavy intensive stress. We have also another plain top joint. A plain top joint is used where the top is under considerable tensive stress circuit. We have a Western Union short tie. A Western Union short tie is commonly widely used joint in interior wiring insulation to extend the length of wire from one point to another. We have another kinds of Western Union, but this is a long tie. When we say Western Union long tie, this is used extensively for outside wiring to extend the length of wire from one end to another. An aerial top joint. An aerial top joint is temporary top usually done in construction sites. Why? Because it can easily to remove. Duplex cross joint. A duplex cross joint is a two-type wire turned simultaneously and used where two-top wire is under tensive stress. Cross joint. Cross joint. The same application is done as in plain top, but the only difference is the top is combination of two plain top places side by side with each other. Another example, we have here the wire splices. The method of wrapping is generally used in a small cables because the strands are flexible and call all be wrapped in one operation. Wrapped up, or we call this as T-joint. This is used on a large solid conductors, where it is difficult to wrap the heavy top around the main wire. These are example or the common top joint. How to stripping of wire. Number one, you have to cut. In cutting the wire, we have to cut it carefully. Simply act as if you were going to cut the wire in two, but don't stop adding the pressure when you reach the wire and spin the wire around. Please be careful from that. Step number two, as you cut the wire, you have to carefully pull the insulator, and as much as possible, the conductor must be stay at ease. Finish up once the wire is exposed all the way around. You can just pull the plastic off with your finger. To keep or how will you know if your work is good? All you have to do just follow the checklist from this.